Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle and I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'm just going to show you how I done my French tip nails. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So first thing first, I just used my cuticle stick just to carefully push down the cuticles on my fingers. Now I'm just going to get my file and I'm just going to file my nails. This just helps it for when I'm sticking on the glue and adds a bit of texture to the nail itself. So now I'm just going to glue down my nails and I just put a couple of drops on the nail and then I carefully slide that in and press it really hard and really down. Make sure there's no air trapped in it. You have to try and press it down and try and make sure there's no air, because that's how the nails won't last. If you do get any glue around the edges, I've learned that you should use a paper towel and just carefully just wipe that off. So now I've done that for both hands, I'm going to carefully get my nail cutter and I'm just going to cut down the nails. This is because I don't want my nails too long. My last nail tutorial, if you've seen it, definitely go and check that out. I left it at length, but I realized I prefer short to medium length nails. They're great for everyday use. So much easier to work with. That's for my personal preference, but you can keep them long if you want to. And then just because I've cut the nails, I'm just going to get a filer just to shape them and to also smooth down the edges. I don't want no sharp edges. So now I'm just going to get my pink nail polish. I'm going to do 2 coats. So I do the first one on each hand, put it under the light, and then I will do another one and put it under the light again. So this is the lightest pink I've got for my base colour. So now I get my top coat and I just put that on each nail and then put it under the light to dry. So for the next part, you're going to need the tip colour and you're going to need some nail tips. This is just great to give you a straight line. So all you have to do is just stick that on where you want it to go. also, when you put down the tips, you're going to see this a little bit later on, but make sure you stick the whole thing down even on your finger, because it can easily lift up. So once you've placed it, make sure you stick down the sides. I didn't do that in the beginning, but you're going to see after I put my white tips on, I realized you have to stick down the edges. So now I'm just carefully taking off the white tips. And now I'm gonna add some nice little nail art just to the little finger, not the little one, the one before the little one, the ring finger. And then I'll go over the whole nail again with the top coat, and then I'll put it under the light to dry. And these are the final look of the nails. So those are the final look of the nails. I hope you enjoyed them. I loved how it turned out. The only thing I would say, in the pink main color, I wish I just got a paler pink. These are just the colors I have on me at the moment, but when I do get some new colors, I will definitely look for a more paler pink. But everything else I love how it turned out. I loved how it come out. So yeah, so these are the nails. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.